Welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about Virgin River Season 6. In a surprising turn of events, Netflix's cherished series Virgin River has left its devoted fan base disheartened with the unexpected delay in the premiere of Season 6. Originally slated for a 2024 launch, the beloved show is now set to grace screens in 2025, sparking varied reactions among fans who had eagerly anticipated the next chapter of this heartwarming tale. What will Virgin River Season 6 be about? An official plot has not been confirmed at this time. However, the Netflix series is based on the book series of the same name by Robin Carr. So if you have read the books, you may have a better idea of the general direction. However, showrunner Patrick Sean Smith spoke with Deadline, revealing a bit of what's to come. For one, there will be a noticeable time jump in Season 6, according to Smith. A lot happened in Season 5 Part 2 finale, so we are now interested to see how they navigate this. But in even bigger news, he's not only hinted at more Mel and Jack content, but also confirmed that there will be a wedding happening, potentially more than one, we just don't know with who yet, and some memorable villains who are expected to return. When will Virgin River Season 6 premiere? While we are unsure of the exact date that Virgin River Season 6 will premiere, we know that it will probably be at some point in 2025. Production and future series. Despite the setback, there's a glimmer of hope as Virgin River gears up for a Season 6 production. With filming scheduled from February 2nd to May 17, 2024, there is anticipation for a premiere in the first quarter of 2025, potentially in March. According to a report by Deadline, showrunner Patrick Sean Smith in an interview with Glamour had initially conveyed optimism about reducing fan wait times, but the unforeseen delays have pushed the timeline. Who will be in the cast of Virgin River Season 6? The casting for Virgin River Season 6 has not yet been confirmed. However, we do hope that majority of the cast will return, as the leading and supporting characters have been played by the same actors over every season. With that said, let's cross our fingers that the upcoming season does include Alexandra Breckenridge, Martin Henderson, Annette O'Toole, Colin Lawrence, Benjamin Hollingsworth, Lauren Hammersley, Grayson Gurnsey, Sarah Dugdale, Zibby Allen, Marco Grazzini, Tim Matheson, and Chase Petrie. Well, that is it for today. Thank you for watching the video till end. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.